I'm one of the black girls that support Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I said what I said, okay? Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I'm like nervous to put up this video. Like, should I even title that? Like, I don't know if I need to be bringing race up into this thing. I know you guys are here for a review on the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star. I just want to give a little tidbit in there. There are still brown girls that support Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I am one of them. And ain't no shame to my game. I said what I said, okay? And I know I'm not the only one. I know a lot of brown skin girls are still buying Jeffree Star Cosmetics and probably have never stopped. Honestly, integrity and things like that come into play, but I am now supporting the brand because I support who he is now, and that is what I find to be the most important. There's just always room to grow in this world. I am in my 30s, and you have the opportunity to learn and grow and surround yourself with different people so that you get new experiences, which help you broaden your horizon, helps you with dealing with other cultures. You know, I'm always open to learning and hearing other people's opinions, so go right ahead and leave that in the comment section below. I've been watching his channel for at least a year now. As far as I can tell, Jeffree Star is always speaking on the shade ranges with a lot of brands. When he released his concealers, I saw that he really went out his way with how many he released and to make sure he spreads the love from the lightest to the darkest. Really appreciated that. I don't see him being racist now. From what I've been watching, that he seemed pretty cool. Like, I don't get that vibe from him at all. Is it possible that he's still saying these bad things about other races? It's very possible. Anybody can be doing anything behind closed doors. I only know what I know, and you only know what you know. And of course, I am a woman. I'm allowed to change my opinion. If I hear something else, or if somebody else breaks it down in a different way and makes me look at it in another way and that I don't like it, then I'm allowed to change my opinion, you know? So don't be clocking me for something I said right now if I change my mind in a year or 2 years, even 20 years. Don't be clocking me, sis. Don't do that. Because like I said, we are allowed to learn and grow and broaden our horizons as we take in new knowledge with the years we have on this earth, okay? I think brown girls right now should not be worried or scared or feel any kind of way for buying Jeffree Star products. They are magnifique, amazing, and I've only touched on the highlight and the eyeshadow formula. I don't have anything else from him, but this makes me look forward to trying other things. This is a palette I do not have in my collection. It's super colorful, high freaking quality, pigmented, and blends effortlessly. This is the eyeshadow for you, okay? There are 24 shadows in here, and they are all freaking amazing. Like, hello sis, like hello. So I definitely think this is worth the money. I definitely have to recommend his eyeshadow formula. And I just wanted to mention that because I don't see a lot of brown girls reviews on Jeffree Star Cosmetics. However, many brown skin girls are still buying his product. You guys need reviews too. Like, that's not fair. Like, somebody needs to bring that to you, and I will be the one. I just feel like it's a big deal. I don't really see too many reviews with girls with brown skin using Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I'm like, what's up with that? Like, but I'm like, is it not good? Stay tuned for swatches, and of course, we want to see this eye and highlight in action. All right. Let me just take a swatch for you, okay? Like, look at that. Friggin' blinding, guys. I mean, that is freaking blinding. What are we talking about? What you talking about? Like, virgin, good morning, bubblegum, wow, suck, licorice, cute, fuck, gumdrop, snack, brain freeze, jawbreaker. And what? Orange juice, sour, soaked, raspberry, cotton candy, lemon drop, bite me, cherry wet, tasty, cone, delicious. Now, they did stain my fingers, but it didn't stain my arms, so I don't know why that happened. Okay guys, it is time for the piece de la resistance, the Jeffree Star highlighter. This is a Supreme Frost, and this is in the color Diamond Wet. I have his King Tut highlighter, so I am very curious as to how much more sparkly the Supreme Frost formula is. Let's get started with that. The Sigma F42 Strobing Fan Brush. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. Are we ready for this? Are we ready for this? Wow, guys, this, oh, ooh. I'm just gonna bring it up in there. And we're gonna take it down the nose. Wow, that is super duper glittery. I will say that it does feel a little bit like glittery, which reminds me of my Fenty How Many Carats highlighter. It has micro fine glitters in it, but like you have to be really up close, I think, to see the glitters, because from far, like, it just looks super wet. Like, yes. Let's get to these eyes. Actually going to do a fun colorful look with this palette, just because, I mean, that was the point of buying the palette, to use some fun colors, because who doesn't have 100 neutral eyeshadow palettes in their collection already? Exactly. I'm not going to be afraid. I'm going to dive right into the color. So I'm going to start with, this color is called Fuck. Okay, we're going to do that. And this is my Jaclyn Hill JH30 with Morph. Just going to start putting this in the crease as our transition color. So I'm just going to build it up a little bit, and I'm going to press and then blend and try to build up some of that color. I'm going to take my Sigma E40 blending brush, and I'm going to go in with Cherry Wet. That is bright. Now I'm going to take my Sigma E25, and I'm going to go in with the color Raspberry. Then I'm going to use my NARS concealer to cut the crease, and it's not going to be a sharp cut crease. I also want my looks to be fairly wearable. You know me, like, you know, I'm a basic bitch. Cotton candy on half of the lid. I'm going to put snack on the inner corner of the lid. I mean, like, what are we talking about here? Blend the two here in the middle. Oh, it's so pretty. Now, just to get a little precision, I'm going to take a little bit of snack, really perfectly in that crease. Now I'm going to go back in with that raspberry color, complete the outer corners of the eye, and just start making sure everything is married and blended. Guys, there is not a lot of fallout, if any. Just make sure you tap your brush off, because these are pigmented. So I really want to use the two yellows in the palette, and I'm going to put it at the bottom. It's going to be colorful. I'm obsessed with the formula. I want to try as many colors as possible. I'm going to take a nice flat definer brush, and I'm going to go in with Lemon Drop. I'm nervous. Now I'm going to take Wow Yellow, the color Jawbreaker, and I'm going to use this as my inner corner highlight. Guys, oh, this formula is freaking sick. I kid you not. It's so good. Okay, let me do a liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. You know, you have the opportunity. So many good reviews on the form. What is that? Is that a garbage truck at this time of night? You can never have too much highlight. Let's put a little bit more on. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. I'm just gonna leave a couple of videos for you because I see you still up in here. I appreciate you watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you want to get notified, you're gonna hit that bell so you are always aware as soon as I upload a new video onto the tube. All right, guys, I love you. Mwah. Bye.